All right, question 2. A gardener buys two kind of fertilizer. Fertilizer A contains 60% filler materials by weight, and fertilizer B contains 40% filler materials by weight. Together, the fertilizer brought by a gardener contains a total of 240 pounds of filler material. Which equation models this relationship, where X is the number of pounds of fertilizer A and Y is the number of pounds of fertilizer B? Okay. So in total, the total weight of the filler material had to add up to 240. Okay, but if you look at the answer choices, they all have that, right? We have something plus something equal to 240 for each one. Fertilizer A is 60% filler material. So if X represents the total weight for fertilizer A, then we know 60% of that should be the filler. Right, so how do we represent 60% of X? Then we had to do 60% times X. All right, so notice it's 60% times X, not 60 times X, right? So we do have to convert the percentage into a decimal form here. All right, so 60% decimal form is actually 0.6. So to convert from a percent to a decimal, we can move over the decimal point to the left 2 times and get rid of the percent sign. We put the decimal point in front of the 6, so it'll be 0.6. Okay, it'll be 0.6. So that's 60%. So and then the other one's 40%. We convert it will be 0.4. All right, so that means we have 60% of X, so it will be 0.6 times X, plus 40% of the other one, material B is Y. Right, so be 40% of Y is the filler. So we do 0.4 times Y, and we add them together. That should equal to the total weight of the fillers, which is equal to 240. Okay, and there should be our equation. So we don't have to solve for X and Y. We just have to come up with the correct equation here. So the answer here for number 2 is B.